welcome back to our channel, Pierce Family Wellness. This month on Instagram, it's all about fascia. So this week, we're bringing you another great video that's going to show you how to actually stretch the fascia in your wrist extensors, all the things that do this action. So again, great for dentists, great for gamers, great for yogis who do a lot of down dog. So check out this video. Remember to follow us on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you want to be the first to be in the know about all of our latest content, make sure that you click on the notification bell. Let's do this. So what are we doing today?
Today we're going to stretch the wrist extensors.
And why are we doing that?
Kind of same as last video. When we type a lot, when we text a lot, the flexors get tight, as do the extensors get long and weak. So we're going to put some stretch back into them. As we begin the wrist extensor stretch, we're going to push our wrist down into the floor with the elbows bent. From there, we're going to try to straighten the elbows and turn the back of your elbows towards each other so that you are externally rotating your shoulder girdle. From there, you're going to try to bring your fingers and your thumbs to meet in the middle. If you want a bigger stretch, you can slowly walk yourself back. A reminder, we want to keep the pelvis tucked. We're going to breathe through the belly. We have the weight in the wrist. We have the elbows, the back of the elbows twisting toward each other. And we're squeezing our fingers up towards our thumb.